Hi, welcome. Today we're going to look at the stock chart of Soundhound. It has been going up by quite a lot, and for those who are interested, we're going to look at the short-term trend, the longer-term trend, and the mid-term trend. So we're going to do some multiple time frame analysis, and without further ado, let us switch to the daily chart of Soundhound. You can see after this tremendous green bar, it rose and declined, and then now it's going up. Yesterday it formed a very nice green bar. Now, one thing to note is that as it goes up, the volume was very high, but when it corrected, volume dried up. This told us that not many people were selling. In fact, buyers were still holding on to it. Now the trend is very good right now because the faster MA is above the slower MA. 20 above the 50, above the 200. This is a picture of a power trend. We just had a bullish cross here, and after that it just shot up. And as long as the stock is above the rising 20 MA, you want to continue to stay bullish on it. Now, after this is the previous high here, after breaking above the highs here yesterday, this is an area of new support because if you know your technical analysis, all highs once broken becomes a new area of support. The next thing you want to do is see, look at this green candle. You want to see how much the stock declines after that. If it stays above this top half of this bullish candle, most likely it will continue to go up and even make newer highs. Just like here, we have a large bullish candle. Now, despite the correction, it stayed at about the top, around the top half of this candle, this bullish candle. You can see the decline here is only up to the top up here, and from there it moved up. So the next thing you want to take note is where the correction, if any, if it stays above the top half of this bullish candle, right, odds are it's going to go way much higher. Now we can use a measured move target. We take the lows here, of this bottoming tail up to the highs of this topping tail around here, and we can project it higher from the swing low. Here we can project it from the swing low here to the highs here. Let me just unlock the price scale. Okay, then you can see a target is about 957. Okay, so the measured move target is 957. So we have a target of 957 if it can stay above this top half of this bullish candle. So there you have it. Let me just lock back the price scale. Okay, now let's take a look at the longer time frame for those who are more into investing. Okay, let me just remove the drawings first. So we have this stock broken above this long-term resistance area. This is a long-term resistance area, and this will be your long-term support. As long as the stock stays above this area, most likely it's gonna, path of least resistance will be upwards and maybe even reaching 17 or 18. Okay, this is the area for you to watch for investors. And you can see here it had a bottoming tail here, and what this told us is that stock, even though it went up and tried to sell off here, the support was kicking in and the stock did not want to go down anymore. So this is also a very positive sign for you. And we don't have much of a resistance overhead here because the sell-off was so fast. So if it continues the uptrend in the daily chart, most likely it's gonna go higher and higher. Okay, so let's go to the very short term, the 60-minute chart. Okay, so we have this stock going up and then declining, met support here. It kind of made a double bottom, right? Traders can trade by trade the double bottom. You could buy here, put a stop loss below the double bottom and ride it higher. But what is interesting, if you can see, is the stock also made a cup with handle pattern, if you will. Okay, this will be the handle. Don't worry, I'll help you. This is the cup. Okay, this is the handle. This is the cup, the handle. What you do is you buy the breakout with a stop loss and ride it higher. And we have a bullish cross in the 60-minute chart as well. So at this moment, you For the short term, you want to look at these previous highs here. As long as the stock is above the 20 MA, above this short-term support here, you want to stay bullish on it. And most probably it can reach the target that we set in the measured move. So I hope that this analysis has been helpful to you. If you learned something, if it's helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more education and analysis like this in the future. And I'll see you in the next one.